If you have ever tried to replace a throttle cable or a mixture cable or any kind of push-pull control cable on an aircraft, you know how difficult it can be. Today, I would like to talk to you about Tool 132, which is a tool set that we have developed for installing push-pull engine control cables, throttles, mixtures, propeller, carb heat, or whatever push-pull cable that you have. One of the problems of installing these tools is getting access with your wrench to get up in there to tighten them down. This tool will allow you to reach in and grab them. It has a slot that's machined into it to slide over the cable. Notice that it has a hex on it that you can get on it with an open-end wrench or an open-end crow's foot and turn it down without having the tool interfere with the cables that are around it and adjacent to it. Tool 132 would be a welcome addition when you're installing a new McFarland Aviation Products engine control cable.